Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something exciting news for those of you looking to kickstart or further your career in the world of cybersecurity. So, let's dive right into the video. Well, Essential Infosec is on the lookout for talented individuals to join their dynamic team of penetration testers. Before you rush to send your CV, here's a brief overview of what they are looking for. They have roles at different levels from analysts to consultant to cater to your level of experience and expertise. First thing first, if you are in associate or other profiles, this opportunity isn't for you. They are specifically seeking penetration testers. Now, let's talk about what they are looking for. Whether it's web apps, APIs, tech clients, or mobile apps, they need individuals who can identify and present threats along with providing optimized recommendations for various environments. Plus, you should understand coding to perform source code reviews. If you have experience with network vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, including real world exploitation, you are exactly the kind of candidate they are seeking. And you will be working in the heart of the action, New Delhi. If you are ready to embark on a thrilling journey in the world of cybersecurity, then send your CVs to the email address shown on your screen, or you can get the email address down in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, apply, get selected, and have a great future. Thank you.